Hi, my name's Steve,
And I'm Rebecca.
and we're the franchise owners of Gardner Homes Melbourne East.
Where we are in Metro Melbourne, a lot of people are aware that knockdown rebuild is usually the only option that they've got. We can go the whole one-stop shop and include the whole planning process, demolition and then construction. So the whole lot can be done with us. We've got the experience in having been building in this area for 7 years now, so we have a good idea of what costs are going to be incurred to build on the block of land. So when we do come to the final contract price, usually it doesn't change by very much because we don't want any surprises as we go through the journey. We don't want to have that disappointment where all of a sudden the dream home that the client has been designing, now they can't afford. So we make sure that those allowances are included through, and then they get the option to customise in their colour selection and maybe just upgrade a few things, and they know that they're still within their budget.
There's always a lot of customisation that clients want. They might want bigger bedrooms, an extra area for the kids. They might want an extra room downstairs that they can turn into a gym. It's endless. Every time we think that we've seen the last of what someone can choose to customise, someone will come up with something else.
We've got some clients at the minute that we're building for that are living overseas, so they're obviously not coming through for their stage visits.
Doesn't matter where they are, we just jump on FaceTime, the supervisor will take them for a walkthrough. The association with our trades is critical. You're working as a team.
We've had the plumber and the electrician the whole time we've been with GJ Gardner, and they've been invaluable. They've always been there, they go the extra mile.
The benefit of being part of the GJ Gardner network is being right across Australia. We've got all the support, we've got the suppliers. People have the ability to look us up, know who we are. It's invaluable when you're running a business. Handover's great. The excitement when people get to realise that this is ours.
You see the look on their face when we're all leaving at handover and we tell them you're in charge now, you have to remember to lock the doors. And they're like, it's theirs. So yeah, that's the most exciting part.